Ever wondered how to streamline the often daunting task of managing inventory and product information? Well, fret no more. Today we delve into the products section of the ERP system, a powerful tool designed to simplify your work life. The products section found in the left-hand sidebar is the nerve center of your inventory management. It houses various sub-functions: categories, product list, add new products, stock movement list, add stock movements, stock count, transfers, print barcodes, print QR codes, generate barcodes, and generate QR codes. Your journey begins with the product list, a comprehensive dashboard that gives you a bird's eye view of all your assets. Here, you have the ability to add a new product. This process begins with assigning a unique scanning code, which can either be manually created or derived from a pre-existing code. It's wise to align this scanning code with the product's unique identification code. And for those using RFID labels, our system has you covered. As you move forward, you'll fill in other details like the product name, unit type, brand, and category. These should be set up in advance in the Settings or Configuration options. Then comes the all-important initial cost, your baseline cost, which may fluctuate over time. You'll also nail down an initial selling price and can optionally set an alert quantity. Taxation is another critical aspect. You have the flexibility to include or exclude tax in the selling price. If a product is marked as featured, it will be displayed in the point-of-sale POS system. You can also specify the product's location within your warehouse, either manually or by scanning a barcode or QR code. The ability to create product variants and set different prices for them adds another layer of flexibility. Special promotional prices can also be set for specific time periods. Once you click Submit, the product information is saved and displayed in the main product list, where you can edit, delete, or simply view the product file. You also have the option to print the product information sheet. And remember, you can upload multiple images for each product along with a detailed description. In summary, the Products section of the ERP system is a powerful tool designed to simplify your inventory and product management process. From assigning unique scanning codes to setting up initial costs and selling prices to managing taxation and product location, every detail is carefully designed to streamline your workflow. Add to that the ability to create product variants, set promotional prices, and upload multiple images, and you've got a versatile system that caters to your every need. Remember, mastery of the products section is a giant step towards efficient inventory management. So go ahead, explore, experiment, and experience the power of streamlined inventory management. Until next time, keep striving for efficiency. In this tutorial, we've explored the products section of Engonus, a comprehensive ERP plus Iiot plus AP system that adapts to industrial hardware. We appreciate your time and effort in following along. If you've uploaded a video from your library as a part of this tutorial, kudos to you for taking a proactive step towards efficient inventory management. For those of you who prefer a more visual approach, we have a written tutorial with detailed images to simplify your understanding. Remember, Engonus is not just a system, it's your partner in simplifying inventory management and streamlining your industrial processes. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials. Until then, keep exploring and keep innovating with Engonus.